Welcome to Kiddo, fun learning for little ones.
Hello, little friend. Let's count animals together. 1 dog. 2 cat. 3 rabbit. 4 chicks. 5 cows.
6 elephants.
7 monkeys. 8 fish. 9 birds.
10 lions.
Good job! You counted to 10. See you again. Bye. Thank you for learning and playing with Kiddo. See you again.